Today, we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 590 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator in a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. And so the source video says, this powerful strategy almost never fails. It wins again and again. And so, pretty strong claims made by the source video. Almost never wins. At least they didn't say it never wins, because of course we know every strategy, every indicator is eventually going to take a losing trade. And so often some wild claims made by the source videos. It wins again and again. I mean, I guess that is possible. Probably taking some losses somewhere within there. But again, we'll put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So we'll just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the STD filtered in pole Gaussian filter. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We're going to jump into the settings and head over to the inputs. And what you're going to want to do is change this first selection here to T3. Then scroll down, make sure the period is set to 25, the order is set to 5. Then the filter options, change that to both, and the filter deviations to 2, filter period to 13, and turn off the color bars right here. Go ahead and click OK. The second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the MACD indicator. It's going to be this one right here. It's just a standard built-in moving average convergence divergence. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We'll jump into the settings of this one as well. What we're going to do is in the inputs, we're going to change the fast length to 100, slow length to 200, signal smoothing to 50, and then jump into the styles. And we're going to check right here, make sure this is set to columns, and then uncheck the MACD and the signal line. Go ahead and click OK. So what we're looking for a short trade setup. So we're looking for when we get an S tag like this here from the in pole indicator. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a little purple S tag and an arrow down. And then we're going to look down to the MACD, and we want it to have a bright red column like this here. Not a dull, faint red, pinkish color, but a bright one. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. So we'll put our trade here. I'm going to put a stop just right above this pivot area here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see we get this really nice strong push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for, we're looking for the yellow L tag like this here. Again, it's hard to see, but you can see it right here if you look closely. And then we're going to look down to the MACD indicator. We want it to have a bright green column like this here, not a dull green like this here, more vibrant green like that one. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade here. I'm going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see we get a push, a little bit of a pullback, and a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one, so you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at $0 break even, not including any possible spreads or commissions, anything along those lines. So possibly down a little amount once it's all said and done. And so, does it win again and again? I mean, I guess in theory it does have wins over and over, but not overwhelmingly over, I guess you could say. Most powerful strategy? I wouldn't really say so. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 46 trades altogether with the Academy Forex indicator and the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator. We had right at a 74% win rate and a total gain right at $16,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's going to do it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.